Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I am going to show you how to insert table on Google Docs. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, over here I am in Google Chrome. Now I will type docs.google.com and hit enter. Over here you can see I am here in Google Docs. Now I'll open one file. You can see here this is one of my documents. Now if I want to add table over here, I'll go to insert and table. Over here we can select rows and columns. For now I will choose 4 by 4. That means 4 rows and 4 columns. You can see here I have inserted table over here. Also we can add rows and columns just by clicking over here and right click, and you can see here insert row above, below, left. Now I'll add one row above. You can see one row is added. Now also I'll add one column to right. You can see here first I have made table 4 by 4. Now it's 5 by 5, means 5 rows and 5 columns. So in this way we can insert table in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.